नमस्ते दोस्तों, आज का हमारा टॉपिक जियोमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन है। तो जान लेते हैं। फर्स्ट इज जियोमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन गुणोत्तर श्रेणी ए आर स्क्वायर ARQ डेड डेड डैश इनफाइनाइट टाइम्स तक। यहाँ पर ए को क्या कहेंगे? ए फर्स्ट टर्म, आर रेशियो फर्स्ट टर्म मीन्स पहला पद, रेशियो सर्वानुपात तो सेकंड इज nth term of geometric progression. Tn is equal to a r की पावर n minus 1. Tn means nth term a first term n number of term. Third is and nth term from and Tn is equal to L upon R power n minus 1 means L is equal to last term. Fourth is sum of nth term Sn is equal to a r power n minus 1 divided r minus 1. R is greater than 1. Fifth is sum of nth term Sn is equal to a 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. 1 is greater than r, or Sn is equal to a minus lr divided by 1 minus r. 1 is greater than r. 6 is to find geometric mean between two number. Means geometric mean is equal to under root AB. Seventh is selection continuous term of geometric mean. First is 3 term of geometric mean A R A A y r. Second is fourth term of geometric mean A upon R Q A R Q A R A upon R A upon R Q. Fifth term of geometric mean A R square A R A upon R A upon R square.